What's going on, YouTube Metal Complex here, and welcome to another short little unboxing with yours truly. This actually was kind of a surprise. I was not expecting this, and when the package arrived, it was from FedEx, and it didn't look like somebody was sending me a knife. It looked like something that maybe me or my wife had ordered. So I opened it up, and there was a Kizer box inside. Now I haven't opened this yet. Because I like to save my my actual organic first impression for camera. So I know what it is because I looked on the outside of the package, but I want it to be a surprise for you guys, and I want my first impression of it to be real. So let's go ahead and open this up. I believe this was sent to me by the Pass Around Group, so by extension, the manufacturer. So I appreciate that, and as usual, I will not. I'll do my best to not let that affect my review. What is this? Interesting. Maybe I just haven't been looking, but I've never seen those parts before. This is like getting a brand new Samsung phone. There's a lot of compartments and things. All right, so let's get into the pouch here, and one more layer. This, ooh, I already like the texturing on the scale. Am I the first one to handle this? Wow. Okay, so this is a Kizer knife. Okay, right off the bat, this feels substantially different, and by different, I mean more higher quality than I generally. Not to say that Kizer's knives aren't high quality, but this feels really good. So this is the Odin, the Kizer Odin, as you can see there. Oh yeah, excellent flipping action there. A little bit of, golly, was that fall shut action from a Kizer? Yep, 100% fall shut with no help from me. Initially, that felt like there was a little bit of lock stick, but it's already gone. Did you see that click? Look at this. Yep, it's gone. So there's no lock stick. This must be literally brand new. I must be the first person on the list. That's probably why I didn't recognize, because it said it came actually from China. So Kizer must have sent me this one directly. Okay, so this is absolutely fall shut, and I can do the reverse flick. And I can do I do the forward flick? I can, but it's a little bit hard. I will tell you this. I can absolutely do a reverse flick. You can get your finger in there and do that. Super fall shut. It's got insane flipping action. Man, that's awesome. I actually really like this. This appears to be... Is that carbon fiber? Okay, it looks like carbon fiber. This might be a textured carbon fiber overlay. It might just be G10 and my light is throwing me off. Other than that, though, full titanium. And by the way, it's on both sides here. It looks like we might have a 3D milled titanium pocket clip. That's interesting. And then we, of course, have the steel lock bar insert that doubles as the over travel stop. And then, what are we looking at here? That looks to be probably the designer's name. Oh, there's a little bit of lock stick. Interesting how that lock stick seems to come and go. I imagine it'll go away completely. It's pretty normal for a new knife to have a little bit of lock stick. I don't know what steel this is. Let's take a look here. S35 VN blade, titanium and carbon fiber handle. So there you go. Interesting blade. Check this out. So this comes up, and then there's a little bit of curvature here, and then it sort of turns into this kind of sheep's footy looking type of thing. Really, really interesting. You do have Kizer's typical tumbled finish there. This is a good looking knife, and it feels good too. This is a very interesting one. Very impressed. This feels much higher quality than I have come to expect from Kizer. So that's an interesting one. Can't wait to take a look at that. That's going to be pretty much it for today's short little unboxing, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. And if you'd like to take a look at my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check that stuff out. And if you enjoy all my content, then please subscribe to my channel because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.